All right, man, y'all see what's going on, man. We about to turn this GoPro on, but we all about to go take a little slide real quick, man. Y'all see what's going on? We even got bro up there, man. So let's get cracking. We on it. Yes, sir, man. Y'all see we out here sliding and glide, man. My guys got the hearts. We got the street bikes. Man, they is not playing, man. That dude flew past me doing about 200. I'm like, damn. Like, damn, that's crazy, man. Y'all even got the young lady on a freaking motorcycle, man. We don't never get that on Everything's Regular channel, but today is a first for everything, man. I'm digging this one. I like this Yamaha. It's actually pretty powerful. I ain't gonna even hold you. 200.
Kill an old man like me.
Nah, man. Yeah, it'll do you good.
Now, is that a Harley? I don't know nothing
That's
about
the Yamaha, and this is a Harley.
They're beautiful.
Appreciate you, man. Everything fast.
I mean, we had a time I like
It's fast, dog. That's crazy. Yeah, it's loud for sure. It's definitely loud. It's,
later on, when you get on the highway and really
yeah, get to 6th gear and just let that thing go. Oh, y'all got 93 out here? Oh, yeah. Oh, ethanol free, huh? So that's like the race gas, huh?
closest thing before the race.
Right. Okay, bet.
Like my hometown,
Right.
that's where we would have went, you know what I'm saying?
Oh, okay, yeah.
Got some real racing gas, changing pipes white.
Right.
This like everyday gas.
Okay, yeah. You know, I might wake it up a little bit more, man. It ain't used to that 93. It ain't used to that at all. Yeah, that thing do look good, y'all. I ain't gonna even hold you. I'm liking it. I am liking it, man. We out here sliding, man. Ooh, look at the orange. Yeah, sir, got the rumble in the jungles back there, dog. I'm digging it. And he even got wifey on the motorcycle today, man. Yes, sir. sir, man. We done made it back. Y'all see what's going on? That was a freaking fun ride, dog. I ain't gonna even hold you. Riding somewhere other than where you live is always fun, dog. We had the sports bikes with us, man. Them things was freaking beast. Guys wasn't playing. Y'all see what's going on, though, man. I actually like this Yamaha, man. I think it's pretty powerful, man. Pretty powerful. It got some torque. Right, like you would think that it's more so like a dirt bike, but when you get on a Harley type of Yamaha, it's definitely got enough to keep up with him, man. So out of both of them, I don't know which one is more powerful wise, but definitely a good fun ride, man. I loved it. Let me know what y'all think about it in the comments below. We are in North Carolina right now, and I got on one of them New York like biker boys type style helmets, man. So y'all see what's going on, man. If y'all haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe, man. I appreciate everybody tuning in, man. Y'all see what's going on, dog. Hey, man.
I don't know nothing about them. Knowing that my 08 didn't have navigation in it.
Oh, okay.
That's what it is.
Yeah.
But he changed the radio out.
How was
Yeah.
Oh, it was fun. I like it. I like this bike a lot. It actually reminds me a lot of Hard. Like, it's real powerful. Like, it's got a lot of torque.
They came out with this thing called
Yeah, I wanted to catch him, man. I just didn't want to go too crazy, have my glasses fly off. I'm like, man, you know, my helmet, we ride with the full face, so that's my first time ever riding with that one.
Try it out, man. I ain't gonna ride nowhere. I ain't got no.
It ain't in neutral.
I got the clip. I always got the clip.
You always got the clutch, baby. You better let him know, man.
Yeah, he's a Harley man.
Okay. Yes, sir, man. We done took a nice ride and everything. Whole family ride. Everybody took a ride today, man. That was dope, dog. That was dope, man. I'm digging it. My guy got his freaking bike. Went to slide and everything, man. All the way from Vegas to North Carolina, man. You guys can be next, man. You know what to do. But it was fun. You know what it is, man. Alrighty, guys. We done made it to the airport. And actually found a freaking flight out of here in the next few minutes, man. So we about to go through security. And it's like no line in here, so that's a plus. Just gonna get up out of here, dog. I can't wait. Alrighty, guys, man, we done finally made it off the plane. We made it back to the whip, made it back to the city. Man, if you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. I want to thank everybody out there for tuning in today, man. How'd y'all like that delivery? Man, I loved it. Enjoyed that ride through North Carolina for a little minute. That was pretty dope, man. Shout out my dog Keith for taking me on my way. I appreciate you, dog, man. So go ahead and enjoy that CVO, man. And let me know, man. Let me know how that thing turned out, man. I'm loving it. I appreciate everybody tuning in, though, man. If you haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. If you guys want to be next, man, don't hesitate to head over to everythingsregular.com, copy you a red, blue, and white Everything's Regular hat, and that'll be your entry into the giveaway, and we can be at your door next, man. So without further ado, head over there right now, and I'm gonna freaking get up out of here, dog.